Hey guys, welcome back to BreakHack. So today I got another tutorial for you. This is about Nikto. This is a tool to scan a website and it tells you the vulnerabilities in return. So let's say you have just even a basic server like this, like an Apache server. It'll just even look at the web server version and scan it and tell you what's maybe vulnerable for it. So Nikto-H and I'm going to do HTTP 10.10.10.95 with port 8080. Sometimes you don't have to specify the port for this, it just kind of depends sometimes. And I'm pretty sure the -H just stands for host, which after that I'm just specifying the host. So let's press enter. And it's already found a few things. You just let it scan, do its thing, and it'll give back plenty of results on what could be going on. Just another way to enumerate a website or any kind of web server like Apache. So I'm just going to let this scan. Okay, so I didn't let it fully complete, but it did a little bit more findings here. You can see where it says where it shows the allowed HTTP methods like get, head, post, put, delete options. You can maybe go into Burp Suite and try some of these out just to play around with them and see what you can break, I guess. I may end up doing a tutorial on Burp Suite also sometime just to show kind of how that works a little bit. I'm not an expert in any of this, I just like doing little tutorials like that. But anyway, yeah, that's Nikto. It's a really basic tool, and that's all I got for you for today. Thanks.